Hey everyone, Matt here with SingleStore, and today we're going to be going over how to wire up your Node.js application to a SingleStore backend. Let's get started. All right, so in your Node.js code, the first thing we're going to do is add the MySQL2 package. So you'll need to do an npm install MySQL2 if you don't already have it included. And then we'll add in our connection details right here. Back in SingleStore, coming to deployments, you'll see your workspace here. Click your app, then I'll choose Node.js, then I'll click off include full code example. Now I'll grab this, take it back into my code here, paste this. You'll see then that you'll need to have your user here with the password that you require for that user and the database that you want to connect to. And then lastly, you'll need this SSL object as well. Now by default, it's going to have a stubbed in path. In my project here, you can see that I've got this SingleStore_bundle.pem already in my current directory, hence the /. If you return back to SingleStore, you'll be able to see right here at the bottom, SSL, make sure you're pointing to the provided certificate. You can click on this. It's going to download that certificate for you, and then you can drop it into your project wherever you need it. Then after we've saved, you can come down here, run our node command, which will bring up our application, and we can see that we're connected. Server is running on port 3000, connected to database, and I have a DDL statement which creates a users table if it wasn't already created. And with that, we've connected our Node.js application to the SingleStore database running in the backend.